Hey, I'm Rusty.
And I'm Blake.
Welcome back to RBBB.
In today's episode, we will be recovering the silver we used during the encording process
And turning it into a nice dry powder to take it to the next stage.
Let's get to it.
Okay, today we're starting off with the leftovers from the nitric acid boils. It's chockers full of silver and we want to recover it. We use the reactive series of metals in this stage. It's a list ranking metals by their decreasing reactivity, showing their tendency to lose electrons or form ions. But if we put in a metal of a lower level of reactivity, higher level reactivity, metals will fall out of solution. So we're basically replacing one metal with another. So you can see as soon as I introduce it, that's silver forming on the surface. So the copper's trading place with the silver and falling out of solution.
You can just see it coming straight off it.
It's not very warm, but it's an exothermic reaction, and once she gets going it can actually boil and just start pouring off. But we should have like at least half a kilo of silver there.
And that's all silver, just slosh it off.
Watch it once it gets going.
Raining metal.
See it all slaking away. There we go. Builds up on the surface, blows itself off, builds up on the surface again.
And there's an ion exchange, so as the silver is coming out of solution and plating onto the copper is going into the solution as copper nitrate.
Sorry for clouding up your solution. Maximum exchange surface.
And that lovely grey sludge at the bottom there, silver.
Probably 98% at least.
But we can do better.
We can do better.
We'll get that to 999. Can you bring your rod to the front?
Oh, she's warming up.
Good hand warmer on these cold winter days. How much copper do you think we're going to need to drop out that?
I don't know.
Kilo
Is it 1 for 1? Do we need half a kilo of copper to get half a kilo of silver? I'm not sure.
I think that's worth looking up. But I'll definitely trade 1.5 kilos of copper for 1.5 kilos of silver any day.
Yeah, absolutely. That's the work of alchemists, that is, isn't it?
Wow, look how quickly it's building up.
Oh.
And the solution is, of course, getting lighter.
Yeah, it should go nice and blue. Copper sulfate being blue. Once it's predominantly copper sulfate, it'll go quite a royal kerosene looking blue. I was going to talk about nitric acid stains on our hands. It's hard to imagine, but you get the slightest spot of this stuff on you and it just makes a black stain. That's last week's and it stays with you. I mean, that's wearing gloves, that it'll get on you somehow. And it's going to stay with you until that skin dies and falls away.
Even I've got some, seeing through the clear gloves. And in case you were wondering what all those black stains in the fume hood were, that's silver. So when the silver nitrate gets on your skin, the silver gets reduced to silver metal. That's why it's black in your skin, tiny little bits of silver metal. And yeah, they basically stay there until the skin is shed.
boiling away now.
I wonder if you put your hand in there and it went all black. So that's metallic silver embedded in your dermis. If you went through a metal detector at an airport, if that would set it off. It's my hand, I swear.
In the early days, I have to admit, I was a bit less careful and I completely made my hands black. My partner did not like that at all. It was about 2 weeks. Black hands for 2 weeks. Copper pipe's good because of the large exchange area, but a lot of that reaction's happening inside the pipe. All those pipes are warm too now.
Exothermic.
Got some serious silver building up in there now, and you can see how the copper pipe's just being eaten away as it exchanges place for the silver. The bottom bit is so thin, and the pipe is quite copper.
It's a lot of silver.
Oh, don't show that. I was recording at full beaters.
Silver losses.
That's how you get silver nitrate everywhere.
Oh, actually, before you,
Yes.
if you want, there's a trick you use.
To run it over down the stick.
Yeah.
It's only that first bit. See, after that it's fine. When it's really full, I find it spreads out over the neck of the beaker. It goes where I don't want it to go. Look at that, that's almost solid silver. Oh, that's slippery. That's heavy.
That's a lot of silver.
Alright, now we keep rinsing that until the solution coming off it is clear, and we'll recover this copper nitrate here just to ensure that there's no more silver in it. Speed this up just a little bit. Careful not to go too far or I'll break the paper and it'll just suck silver straight through. which screws it off. Vacuum system.
There's still silver in there, so we'll pop that back in to go again with the copper.
Previous copper. I want to get every last bit out of that. Now we boil some water and wash it with that. Still some colour in it, those drips, but not a lot. We've got another bath. And that's ready for drying. I'm not seeing any colour in that water now, but we'll see how it filters through. As separated as possible to get the boiling water around it to wash it, but I believe I believe it's enough. Cover that. So that is now a pure silver cement. That's how we like it to come out. I tend to just drape that over the side, so when it dries that'll come away. A little bit more. And we'll go again. The beaker on the right hand side's had all the silver removed and it's now royal blue colour. It's almost pure copper nitrate. We can recover the copper later by adding iron. Okay then.
In the next episode, we'll be firing up the furnace.
And pouring shot ready for the electrolytic cell.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments for us, leave them down below.
See ya.